Getting ready for your driving test can feel like a big step, full of anticipation and maybe a few nerves. You have practiced your maneuvers, learned the rules of the road, and are almost ready to show off your skills. But there is one crucial detail that sometimes gets overlooked: the car you plan to use for the test. Yes, you absolutely need to inspect the car before your driving test. This is not just a suggestion. It is a requirement that ensures the vehicle is safe, roadworthy, and meets specific standards set by the Department of Motor Vehicles or equivalent licensing agency. Without this pre-test check, your test could be postponed or even denied, regardless of how well you drive. The primary reason for this mandatory vehicle inspection is safety for everyone on the road, including you and the examiner. Licensing agencies want to make sure that the vehicle will not put anyone at risk due to mechanical failures. It also confirms that the car has all the necessary functional equipment, like working lights and signals, which are essential for communicating your intentions to other drivers and navigating safely. It is about proving your ability to drive a reliable vehicle. To prepare, you should check several key components. Ensure all exterior lights are working: headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals on both the front and back of the car. The horn must be functional, and your windshield wipers should operate correctly with a full washer fluid reservoir. Also, verify that all tires are properly inflated and have adequate tread depth, with no exposed cords or serious damage. Finally, make sure the mirrors are intact and properly adjusted, and that the passenger seat has a working seatbelt for the examiner. An often overlooked detail is the vehicle's registration and proof of insurance, which must be current and readily available. Many examiners also look for a clean and clear windshield and windows, ensuring unobstructed visibility. Having a vehicle that is well maintained and clearly shows attention to detail not only passes the physical inspection but can also contribute to a more confident and smooth test experience for you. Making sure your vehicle is in top condition for your driving test demonstrates responsibility and attention to detail. This proactive approach helps avoid last-minute stress, ensures the safety of your test, and ultimately sets you up for the best chance of successfully earning your driver's license, allowing you to focus completely on your driving skills.